Are you wondering what to wear on formal night during your cruise? You're not alone. It's actually the most asked cruise question out there. But don't stress, because today I'm going to break it down so you know exactly what's expected, what's optional, and you're going to feel confident no matter what you choose to wear. Hey, welcome or welcome back if you're new here to the channel. My name is Barb and I'm part of Cruise Savvy. So gone are the days of mandatory tuxedos and ball gowns. Cruise lines, especially Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, they've all relaxed their formal dress code. Think of it as more of dress to impress, not a black tie wedding. For men, a nice button-down shirt and slacks, maybe a blazer, and ties are optional. For women, a cocktail dress, a jumpsuit, or a nice blouse with pants and a skirt totally works. Now, let's talk about what the kids can wear. Kids can pretty much get away with anything as long as they look nice. Please don't let them stay in their bathing suits for formal night. A nice pair of khakis, even regular shorts, and a little polo shirt will do just fine for the boys. And for the girls, a little sundress or some leggings and a cute little shirt is absolutely fine. And they can wear their sandals. They do not need to wear uncomfortable dress shoes, because we both know if they're wearing uncomfortable shoes, you're not going to have a good night. So let them be comfortable. They can even wear their sneakers. It's fine. If you guys are learning anything today, or if this video is helpful, please hit that like button. YouTube is changing all the rules, and if you want to continue to see cruising content, you need to let YouTube know that you like what you're seeing. So when my family cruises, there are usually 2 formal nights, because typically we go for 7 nights or longer. My boys have loved to dress up for formal night since they were little. Let me see if I can find a picture to post here. They were so cute. Now that they're grown, they still love to dress up. And I'll wear a cocktail dress, not a ball gown. Back in the day when I cruised with my parents, it was like a black tie affair. I have pictures of my mom wearing those sparkly gowns. We were always dressed to the nine. That's not the case anymore. Yes, you're going to see a few of those people still dressing that way, but it's a very small amount that do this. The other formal night that we have, I usually just wear a sundress or a pair of flowy slacks and a blouse. And the guys will wear a polo shirt and khakis. It's fine. I've seen people showing up in jeans as well. Just don't try to wear a tank top or flip-flops, because you might be turned away. It just depends on the cruise line and who's working that dining room that night. As long as you look neat and respectable, you're going to be welcome into the main dining room. Here's the best part. For cruising, if dressing up isn't your thing, you can always go somewhere else for dining. They have many other casual dining options on a cruise ship, and no fancy cruise clothes are required. Think of it this way. It's your cruise. It's your rules. Do what you want to do. I'll show you a few examples with some photos and some videos here. So for example, you could wear a cocktail dress, something like what I'm wearing here. Or you can wear a sundress. Both of these dresses would be acceptable on a formal night. Now, if you have that big ball gown and you're going to pack that with you on your cruise, that's acceptable too. Some people love to dress like that because this is their opportunity to get these wonderful photos. So there are ship photographers all over the cruise ship, and it's their time to do a family photo or a glam photo that they don't normally get to do at home. Just go for it. You're going to have a great time, and you're going to fit in no matter what you wear. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules. If you happen to be traveling on, let's say, Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas, the new ship, right? Or Icon, and they have a specialty restaurant where you're paying $200 a person to go, trust me, look at that dress code. Because if you just paid your $200 to go and you show up in a pair of jeans, you're not getting in. They will require a lady to be in a cocktail dress or something fancier, and a gentleman, you do need to be wearing a jacket. So just keep that in mind. If it's a specialty restaurant, take a look at the description, no matter what cruise line you're sailing, and make sure they don't have any specifics, or if they do have specifics for what you need to wear, just take note of that before you pay the money for that specialty dining if you don't feel like packing or wearing all the fancier clothes. So whether you're rocking a suit, a sundress, or even a pair of dark jeans with a nice shirt, the important thing is here to feel good in what you're wearing. Formal night is all about celebrating your cruise and not stressing about the dress code. Let me know in the comments what you love to wear, or if you're team buffet and flip-flops, even on formal nights. Cruise formal night doesn't have to be stressful. Pack smart, feel confident, and enjoy your cruise. Happy sailing!